Uy, akala ko nagsasali siya. I thought you do sali. I thought you do prayer. Hello guys. This is a beautiful lady. Look at this. Come. Say hello. Hey lady.